Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we are going to be cooking hazelnut and dark chocolate muffins. You will need to preset your oven to 170 degrees Celsius whilst we're mixing the ingredients together. You're also going to need a muffin tray and you're going to need patty pans, so something along these lines. You'll see in a previous video that I made, which was the pear, white chocolate and pistachio loaf. So I actually made the basic batter by hand and with a mixer. So with the extra batter, I thought that I would use one of the variations in the original recipe that was suggested, which is using hazelnuts and dark chocolate, and also making them as muffins rather than loaves. So if you're interested to see the difference, please see my previous video for the pear, pistachio and white chocolate loaf. And then in this video you'll see the same basic batter, but instead of those added ingredients you'll actually be using the hazelnut and the dark chocolate. So if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and of course don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you're ready, let's bake.